Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to empty deleted emails on Outlook website or even application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with, or even the application if you have it. So of course, if you don't have the application, when you open your browser, just go to the URL section and type download Outlook, because downloading Outlook better than using it on the browser. So once you download the application, just go and open it. Then they will ask you to log in into your account, and of course, you will log in into it. Of course, make sure to, if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create one. It's pretty simple. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home screen or main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to empty our deleted emails on our account. So of course you can manually empty the deleted item folder. So in the folder list, like in this deleted items, just go to it. Of course, just go and click once to it. And once you click on that, you'll find here like the deleted items that you already deleted. Of course, if you want to empty this folder, you have like two options. You have the option of going through every email and click on this delete this item. For me, I only have here one email, but for you, of course, if you have a lot of emails, you don't want to go through all the boring steps of like deleting one item by another. Of course, all you need to do, just go here to the deleted items and right click on that, and you'll need to look for where is it? Empty folder. Here is it. Just go and click on that once, and as you can see, everything in the deleted items folder will be permanently deleted. You want to continue, hit the yes button, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.